Welcome to Sunset Ranch, an 80-acre parcel that is the ultimate site for unlimited privacy and scenic beauty. With a prepared home site, new fencing for livestock, recent road repairs, and over 10 acres of agricultural ground for feed and wildlife plots, this property offers a well-rounded package for those interested in agricultural and recreational land use. Located just 2 miles northeast of Spearfish, South Dakota, with easy access to I-90, Sunset Ranch is just minutes from Deadwood, Sturgis, and all the recreational possibilities in the Black Hills National Forest. With a variety of outdoor adventures, historical landmarks, and cultural experiences, the area boasts something for everyone to enjoy throughout each of the seasons. This property offers distinct rock formations, lush meadows, and mature forests that include aspen, oak, and pine trees, along with native grasses and flourishing wildflowers. Come tour this amazing property in the heart of the Midwest, known for its natural beauty and small-town charm with big city amenities. For a qualified showing, please contact Brett Green at 605-645-7033.